Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your viewing experience smoother than ever. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to resume your YouTube TV watching. Whether you paused a show mid-episode or want to pick up right where you left off on a different device, this guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your YouTube TV account. Open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, or mobile phone. If you're on a new device, sign in with the same Google account you use for YouTube TV to sync your progress. Once you're in, head to the home screen. This is your dashboard for all things YouTube TV. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Continue Watching. It's like a personalized queue of your unfinished shows and movies. Pretty cool, right? Just hover over or tap on the title you want to resume. Now, if the video doesn't start playing from where you left off, don't panic. Sometimes, you might need to select the Resume option that pops up. YouTube TV is designed to remember your spot, but if it's not working, check for any updates to the app. Go to your device's App Store, update YouTube TV, and try again. Another quick tip: if you're switching devices, ensure your account is linked properly. This feature relies on your viewing history, so as long as you're signed in, it should sync automatically. Oh, and make sure your internet connection is stable. Nothing ruins a binge more than buffering. There you have it, folks. Resuming your YouTube TV content is as easy as a few taps. Give this method a try next time you're ready to dive back in. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.